everyone. Chris Young, Business Development Manager at Noritsu. And today we are showing the new full rework solution for poultry inspection from Noritsu. This is using our latest and greatest direct photon counting technology with AI enhancement on top. It has really set a new standard in detection within the poultry industry. We'll look at a couple of the features of it, starting with it's a full sanitary design. It's meant to be easily cleaned in place. As you can see, we've got the roller kind of tilted over. The belting will come right out. But heavy duty designs, standoffs for easy cleaning. Full dual lane solution all the way through. Product runs through the machine touchless. It's rejected independently. Okay, we're gonna look at the dual lane reject in further detail. Again, this is an all in-house design. Nice safety cover to be lift off. I'll go ahead and turn off the air. So now we'll have play in the belting. And then it's as easy for cleaning as pulling out two rollers. So we have one in the front, and then the second one. Now you can see you have full access for cleaning and wash out. Very sanitary, clean design. The product will ride on the rework conveyor back to up to 4 rework stations. Each one is height adjustable. We can have the products come out in the center for both lanes or divide it all to either the front or the back. Nice touches such as holders for honing, the knife holders. A very nice, well thought out solution that you can see live at IPPE. Hope to see you there.